ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, well, fire alarm enthusiasts are collecting fire alarms that were installed in schools I went to, and they're testing them in their own houses. That is pretty cool that they are getting alarms that were installed in my schools over the years. It is pretty cool that some fire alarm enthusiasts have all of my school's alarms in their own house, on their own system. Before you ask, they didn't steal them from my school. Nope, they got them off of eBay or Amazon. So they didn't come to any of the schools I went to and steal an alarm from the school. They actually bought them off of eBay or Amazon, and they have it as their own systems. That is pretty cool. Yep, fire alarm devices like the Edwards 892, Integrity, and Genesis. These are all Edwards EST devices. Just like what is installed in all of the schools I went to. And pull stations are actually the ones installed in my school. That is pretty cool. Pull in case of fire, Edwards 270 SPO. So these people that are collecting fire alarms are actually collecting alarms that had an important role in my life, is that they were installed in schools I went to over the years, and I heard all of these devices go off during the drills. And of course, I saw the strobes flash on all of these devices as well during the drills. It is pretty cool that people are collecting devices that were installed in my schools for fire alarms.